Welcome in the second part of SQL constraints. Yesterday we learned the different types of constraints and we create a table with primary key and join this table with foreign key. In today's lecture, we learn the general formula of add and drop constraints. We apply on add primary key for the existing table, and we join this table with foreign key, and then return to drop the primary key and drop the foreign key. The general formula for add constraints, we start by alter table. Alter table is a command that created with the columns in the case of modifying the columns. Alter table, table name, add constraints, constraint name, and constraint type. That is mean you have a table, alter this table, and add constraint by the green color is the command. Constraint name is a variable, and constraint type will be primary key or foreign key, because these are the two types of constraints that we apply on them. For drop, also, instead of add constraint, drop constraints, and the same formula. Here we have an examples for the adding primary key. This is an example for add primary key, alter table, Abdalla. Abdalla is the name of the table. Add constraints is the command. Abdalla_pk is the name of primary key, and primary key NO1. NO1 is the field that used as a primary key. Here, the addition of foreign key also by the same command, alter table, table name. This is the second table which will be joined with Abdalla. This is Abd2. Add constraint Abd2_fk, foreign key, and NO2, the name of the field that is used as a foreign key, references with Abd1 or table 1. Here, in the case of drop, we recommend to drop foreign key at first, because if you drop primary key before foreign key, you cannot drop foreign key again. When you drop primary key, foreign key will drop with it. In previous semester, some students, we have questions to drop primary key and to drop the foreign key. Some students drop primary key at first, and then when they move to drop foreign key, the operation is not completed. I recommend you in your second assignment, inshallah, when you ask to drop primary key and foreign key, drop primary key before foreign key. And here is the drop of primary key, the general formula. Only put the name of the table that include the primary key. We start, now we are finished the introduction. We start implementations. Open, like previous implementation, open SQL editor. This is our yesterday implementation. Here is the creation of table 1 and table 2 and joining these two tables together. Here we first also create two tables without foreign key and without primary key, and then alter these two tables. Create table, create table. Name the first one Maha 1. Maha 1. Parentheses. First field name ID1. ID1. Type number of 20. Name var character. Var character 40. 40. Depth. Depth. Var character. Var character 30. Measure. Measure. Var character. Var character 30 also. And it is enough just for explaining how to add primary key and foreign key, semicolon, table created. Now we must instead of to repeat all the steps for creating the second table, just make a copy. Create table, maha2, maha2, select star from maha1, select star from maha1, semicolon, table created. Why create table, missing or invalid option. Select star from maha1. Khalid, where is the mistake? Create table, maha2. Select star from as. as.
بعدها يا دكتور حبة حبة.
ايوه create table maha2. ايوه create table maha2 as before select. Okay. Here now we have two tables, maha1 and maha2. We need to add no need. Yes, we need to add a new numeric field to be used as a primary key in the table 2. Alter table maha2, add new column, call it ID2 from number of 20. Table alter. Now we start write the add constraints for the table 1 and join it with the table 2. Alter table maha1, alter table maha1 to add the primary key. Add constraint, 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 and then here, like yesterday implementation, put constraint name. Constraint name maha underscore pk. And then write primary key, and the field that has been, or the field that must be used as a primary key, ID1. And then table alter. Now we add the primary key by the same command. Add the foreign key in Maha2. In Maha2, add constraint name Maha underscore FK instead of PK FK. We said that P is abbreviated for primary and F abbreviated for foreign. This is J. This is foreign key FK, foreign key instead of primary key. Foreign key FOREIGN, foreign key. And then the field that must be used as a foreign key, which has ID2, and then references, and the table that must be joined with this table, Maha1. Maha1. And the field that in table 1, which is ID 1. Okay, this is table alter. Now we create two tables. Create table Maha1 and Maha2, and I'll add a primary key for the first table. Here we add primary key for the first table and add foreign key to the next table. The second step is to drop these constraints, to drop Maha underscore PK and Maha underscore FK. We said that before some minutes. We first drop the foreign key. Alter table name Maha2. Instead of add constraint, drop constraint. Instead of add, drop, and instead of خلاص add alter table name, drop constraint name خلاص table alter. Okay. In the case of primary key, alter table name Maha1, drop constraint primary key, drop constraint no drop constraint. Who says that drop constraint? Drop primary key, drop primary key cascade 1S or 2S. Drop primary key 1S cascade. Okay, drop primary key cascade. خلاص. Table enter. Now we are finished our today lecture. We will see if you have questions. I can answer you. Any question? Okay, I can stop recording and return back to you.